Hello, thanks for joining me. I'm in the workshop with my Harley Davidson. Very exciting news today. The riding season is officially open. We can now ride our bikes. I've checked on the Harley Davidson website. They have declared the riding season to be open so we can legally ride. In actual fact, I'm a little bit late, I have to be honest. Today is the 1st of April, and when I checked on the Harley Davidson website, the riding season officially started last week. So I'm a week late. However, the weather has been a little bit dodgy over the last few days. There's been a slight risk of rain, so obviously I can't ride if there's a risk of rain. Wouldn't want to get the bike wet. Because it's the start of a new riding season, I've decided to do an upgrade on my bike, and I'm going to show you something that not a lot of people know about. You can substantially increase the power of your bike for very little cost, simply by fitting a new power band. Now you may be asking, why don't I know about this? Why don't the dealers tell me about this? Well, of course the dealers don't tell you about it because they make thousands of pounds from selling you expensive upgrades to make your bike faster and more powerful. But believe me, this is a very simple and easy solution for substantial more power. So let me show you how to do it. This is a simple upgrade, but there is a catch. In order to fit the new power band, you have to remove your seat from your motorcycle. That is an extremely complex mechanical operation. If you get it wrong, you're going to void your warranty and quite possibly you're going to absolutely ruin your bike. So you can see I've already taken the seat off mine. Now I did that with the help of a friend who's a very experienced mechanic, and even then it took the two of us over 3 hours to safely remove the seat. So if you're going to do this, you do so at your own risk. I take no responsibility for you removing the seat from your bike. I've just moved the camera in closer so you can see what I'm doing, because once you've removed the seat, what you're looking for is the flux capacitor. And here it is on mine, and you can see there I'm actually running a red power band on it at the moment. Now I fitted that red power band last year. That did upgrade the power. However, I'm not happy with it because the engine is running very rough, particularly at low revs. So I'm going to change this red power band for a blue one. Changing the power band is very simple. You simply slip it should slide off easily. Slip the old power band off, and I'll put that somewhere safe because you never know, it might get used again. But I'm going to fit a blue one. Oh my God, I've got to say I'm so excited about this. I'll put it on there. I'm shaking because the idea of fitting a blue power band is, well, it's unreal. It's unreal. We'll just have to see what that does. Okay, folks. Sorry, I was getting quite emotional there. I'm both excited and nervous, but because I'm doing this on YouTube, and for your benefit, guys, I'm going to really throw caution to the wind. I'm going to do something which, well, maybe not a good idea, but I'm going to fit two power bands, two blue power bands. Just look at that. I'm shaking because, I mean, we're living on the edge here, guys. We're living on the edge. All right. You know what? Because this is for YouTube, and in the interest of experimentation, hell, I'm going to fit three. I'm going to fit 3 blue power bands. I have no idea what's going to happen with this. No idea. What can I say? Let's get the bike back together, take it out for a test ride, and see what happens. 3 blue power bands. Unreal.
Okay, time to hit the power band. Let's see what happens. Oh my God, what a rush. What a rush. 3 blue power bands. I can't cope with it.
Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?